Spark zipped through the air like a streak of light, his tiny wings buzzing with excitement. Every movement he made was a blur of brightness, as though he were trying to outshine the whole forest. "Look at me!" Spark shouted, darting between the trees. "I'm the brightest light in the whole forest. No one can shine like me." Luna, perched calmly on her branch, watched him with a soft smile. Her eyes reflected the quiet wisdom of the forest, a patience that seemed to stretch back for ages. She didn't need to prove her light. It was simply there, steady and enduring. "Want to see something amazing?" Luna asked, her voice as gentle as the breeze. She winked at Spark, and he hovered for a moment, curious. They walked deeper into the forest, where the air was cool and still. It was peaceful, the kind of quiet where even the tiniest sound seemed to echo. That's when they saw it. The tiny flower, glowing softly in the moonlight. Its petals shimmered gently, not with a burst of brightness, but with a warm, steady light that filled the space around it with peace. Spark blinked in surprise, slowing his buzzing wings. "How is it shining so brightly?" he wondered aloud. "It doesn't have a big light like mine." Luna's voice was soft as the evening breeze. "True light doesn't need to be loud or show off," she said. "It shines by simply being itself." Spark sat still for a moment, his wings quieting as he looked at the flower. It wasn't the biggest light, but it felt so calm, so kind. It filled the forest with a peace that made everything seem right. "It's not the biggest light, but it feels so calm and kind," Spark said softly, his voice quieter now. "That's right," Luna nodded, her eyes twinkling in the moonlight. "The quietest lights often shine the brightest. They don't need to show off. They just help others see clearly." Spark floated in the air, thinking about what Luna had said. He had always believed that to be the brightest meant being the loudest, the most noticeable. But now he wasn't so sure. It was clear that true light wasn't about drawing attention. It was about making others feel safe and loved. "I don't always have to be the center of attention, do I?" Spark asked, his voice thoughtful. Luna chuckled softly. "No, Spark. Sometimes the gentlest light makes the biggest difference. Remember, my friend, being the brightest light isn't always about being the loudest or showing off. Let your light shine softly, just like the flower. You've got this, just like Spark." Keep shining your light, stay true to who you are, and remember, you don't have to be the center of attention to make the world brighter. And remember, if you ever feel lost, just be still and let your quiet light guide you. You're stronger than you think, and you can do anything. You got this.